Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ilham Yati Ramadan from 11 TK3 and my partner.
My name is Antonio from 11 Taiwan.
And I will ask Anton about shape 1W and 1 height, 2 question text and 2 question yes or no. First, what do you usually do after school, Anton?
I usually do my homework and rest.
Where do you keep your school books?
I keep them in my bag.
Who do you sit next in class?
I sit next to Mario.
When do you have your English class?
I have it on Tuesday and Friday.
Why do you study hard?
Because I want to get a good grades.
Which teacher do you like?
I like my English teacher the most.
What tools are used in the workshop?
The school tools.
How do you go to school? How do you go to school every day?
I go to school by motorcycle.
You have workshop practice every week, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Your school has good facilities, doesn't it?
Yes, I do.
Do you have practical classes today?
Yes, I do.
Can you use the tools in the workshop?
Yes, I can.
Thank you.